Beautiful day here on the Central Coast. Plenty of sunshine, but filtered with a lot of high cloud cover. And again, believe it or not, this is some of the coolest weather we're going to see in a little while because we had a little cold front moving through the area. It's going to set tomorrow's temperatures about where we are at today. Let's take a look at what's going on. Temperatures right now in the lower 60s, though Paso Robles nearly 70 degrees. The winds are onshore. They're locally breezy. They're going to be even stronger this evening and overnight. We started the day in the 40s, even Paso Robles at 40. Yesterday, we were 34 degrees to start, so those high clouds helped. Daytime highs, 77 San Ynez, 72 in Paso Robles, 69 San Luis, 66 Santa Maria, 69 Santa Barbara. So these onshore winds of the afternoon have pulled temperatures back. Winds are going to be a factor all the way through noon tomorrow, but at higher elevations around San Luis Obispo County. So the Santa Lucia is here. The hills around Avila Beach, you've got the winds 20 to 30, gusting up to 50. Also in Santa Barbara County here, the southwestern portion, 20 to 30, gusting to 50 through 2 a.m. So not as long here in the advisory, but obviously we're talking about the Gaviota Pass here. There are a few showers up to the north. This is the cold front feature moving through the area right now. Not much here. Again, just some high clouds. Up to the north, it's generally light rain and some intermountain snows. The big story nationally continues to be the cold air outbreak. It's snow in D.C. through places like Fredericksburg and Richmond, Virginia. Further south, rain-snow mix in the Carolinas and rain in Florida. Take a look at the current conditions. This big pocket of temperatures right around zero or even sub-zero from North Dakota all the way into Kansas. 21 in Cincinnati, 15 in Cleveland. Now out here in the west, we've got a little pocket of warm air, and a tiny little pocket here in South Florida. Other than that, the country is pretty cool. Again, you can see the frontal boundary across the area. It's going to be gone later on tonight to be replaced by some breezy offshore winds. Again, tonight, advisory through noon tomorrow for most of the Central Coast. At the hills, we're going to see those winds quite up. But even at the coastline here, got temperatures right around 70 degrees. It's really conservative for an offshore event, and I'm really pushing things up as we get into Friday, mid-70s and even some 80s possible. Interior might cool overnight, but be fairly similar tomorrow. Beaches right around 70 degrees. South Coast conditions also around 70 degrees. And again, it's because high pressure is coming in behind the exiting front. The change in pressure is wind, and that's exactly what's happening overnight and through tomorrow. And then it's just a series of these ridges of high pressure that keeps the storm path well out of the way. That's the big cold air outbreak, by the way. Today's modeling is not robust on rain. In fact, if anything, there's a sprinkled chance around the beginning of the month. Other than that, there just isn't anything in the offing here. So again, we took January off. We had a couple of storms here in February, but other than that, it looks like we're going to maintain a deficit in terms of where we at to average. So temperatures right around 70 degrees, the daytime highs on Thursday. Again, this is going to be a fantastic day. The offshore winds, it's going to look and feel fantastic, but the extended forecast is remarkable. There it is. Temperatures near 80, and again, I'm being conservative. I think 80s are absolutely possible pretty much anywhere, and we'll hold on to those fairly warm conditions as we move into the beginning and even middle of next week.